guys, welcome back to part 10.
Say
Get
the
the can.
sentence out loud so your monster knows what to do.
Oh, I just a reminder. Some trickies could be in the treasure test. Test.
Say the sentence
Trust.
out
I
loud
can't tell. I
so your
can't
monster
say
knows
it a
what to do.
lot. Get the dog.
There's a tricky
Oh,
one. Tickle her 3 times and she will join you. The tricky has jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
No.
no day.
The
Wait,
tricky is amazed at how good you are at
hey,
finding her.
Tricky.
She's so
You are
impressed she's going to
the
join
monster's
you for the rest of your
friend.
journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket.
Now look, we have 3 trickies. I wonder if we could get more. In more parts, you'll see more trickies.
Say the sentence out loud so your monster
It
knows
says
what
get
to
the
do.
jam.
Say
Go to the
sentence
man.
out loud so your monster knows what to do. There's a tricky.
You have 3 times in.
She'll join you. The tricky has jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
Go.
The tricky is amazed at how
Amazed.
good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you.
And
for
there's
the rest
non
of your
tricky.
journey.
I was gonna
Look,
do it.
she's jumped into your pocket.
Look at the apples. I would love to eat the apples.
Say the sentence
Go to the
out
fish.
loud so your monster knows what to do. There's a tricky. Tickle her 3 times.
It's pink like me.
The tricky has jumped away.
It could
Quick,
be
find
I.
her. Can you click on the word?
I.
Yay, a new tricky.
The tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket.
Hooray.
Say the
Go to
sentence
the
out
ship.
loud so your monster knows what to do.
Dun, 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 dun.
She's back again.
Hungry
For
beast.
more word cookies. Feed her the word
No.
to make her happy.
Yay.
Read the word on the beast's tummy and find the word that sounds the same.
I think he has to do the words.
No.
Words that the tricky did.
Feed her the word
Go.
to make her happy. Read the word on the beast's
I.
tummy and find
Two.
the word that sounds
Go.
the same. Feed her the word
I.
to make her happy. Read the
Do it
word
again.
on the beast's tummy and find the word that sounds the same.
2. I.
Mmm.
The hungry beast said she really likes those words.
Blah, 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 blah.
I think that means thank you.
Where's this going? To the mushroom world.
This must be where that creature went. I wonder how we can open the doors. Shall we try a magic word?
Sure.
Let's say abracadabra. Ready? 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Abracadabra!
Amazing! We've opened the door with our magic spell. Now let's go in and see if anyone is home. Who is this? Your new friend says she's lost her letter sound. Can you help her find the letters that make
moss,
Can you say go and play one of the games to help her find?
What should we play first? Okay, I know. Oh no, let's try the rocket thing.
Use the blocks to build the spaceship and help the aliens.
Okay. Shh. Look at us. Shh. 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 Hooray for us. Shh. We're gonna start that again. Shh. Shh. We did it, finally.
Your friend is very happy now.
I was just waiting on that thing. Sorry for the excuses.
Your friend has told your monster he can find the words fin
Fin.
moss,
Moth.
fin in
Fin.
this game. Let's play.
Let's make a cloud game.
Whoa! Your monster is falling from the sky. Collect the right balloon so you can float down safely. Find the letters that make the word fin.
God did.
Each of the sounds of the
He.
word
moss, oh,
Find the letters that make the word fin.
Yay! I'm safe.
Whoa! There goes a Tricky. I wonder what she's up to.
I wonder.
There's a Tricky.
Tricky.
Tickle her 3 times and she will join you. The Tricky has jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
he,
Yay.
The Tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket.
It's still my turn for a game.
Find your friend's next letter sound. She's lost the letters.
To
that
make the sound.
Let's learn a new
Let's do another.
sound. As in,
them,
can you say, go and play one of the games to help her find?
Let's play the duck game. Oh no! Oh, that's just.
Gate. Put all the ducks in the pond.
Put all the ducks in.
the
Shh.
pond.
Yeah. Whack.
Put all the ducks in the pond.
We did it.
Your friend is very happy now. She's going to give you another game to play.
It's my turn.
Your friend has told the monster he can find the words
that, them, this.
in
These
games.
games. Let's play.
Your monster needs fuel to get home. Find the letters that make the word
That,
Ooh. That spaceship is so
Find
fast.
each of the sounds in the word
them. F.
Find the letters that make the word
This.
Oh, your friend says there were two
There's
tricks.
not a trick.
Can you find the other one? There's a tricky. Tickle her 3 times and she will join you.
Yes.
The tricky has jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
She.
We did it. Now we just have to do
Tricky
the
is
Hungry
amazed at
Beast
how good you
and
are
the
at
video's
finding
over.
her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket. Can you find your friend's next letter sound? She's lost the letters that make the sound.
No, wait.
Let's learn a new sound.
Wait, let me see it down. Sounds pretty too. Okay, let's get it back. King.
Can you say, go on, play one of the games to help her find?
Looks like we haven't played these two. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the flowers.
Collect the flowers and they'll tell you which way to go.
Okay, go down. Hey! Oopsies. What? Ooh, we almost fell off. Really? Go down. Wee! Yay!
Your friend is very happy now. She's going to give you another game to play. Your friend has told your monster he can find the words
King.
King.
ring,
Ring.
wing in these
Wing.
games. Let's play.
Let's go to the bear.
Oh no! Dr. Tentacle has captured the bear. To save the bear, make the word
King.
King.
to climb the tower and save him.
Great job, monster.
Oh no! Dr. Tentacle has captured the bear.
Next one's
to
ring.
save the bear, make the word
Ring.
to climb the tower and save him.
Sh.
Find each of the
Next
sounds
one
in the
is
word
wing.
Sh.
Haha, them Dr. Tentacles. Boom, boom, boom.
What's that?
Boom, boom, boom.
Something's coming.
Boom, boom, boom.
Uh-oh. Here comes the hungry beast.
Okay, good thing the hungry beast will not eat me. He's just gonna eat some cookies.
Feed her the word
He.
to make her happy. Read the word on the
Please
beast's
tell
tummy
me.
and find the word that sounds the same.
2. Go. He.
Feed her the word
She.
to make her
I'm
happy.
happy.
Read the word on the
Beast's tongue
and find the word that
is
sounds
the same.
He. The. She.
Mmm. Yeah.
The hungry beast said she really likes those words.
Yeah.
I think that means thank you. Your friend says that everyone thanks you and that you can stay here as long as you like. Or you can go off on new adventures. Who is this? It's your friend.
Wait, we have to
Press on
rescue
her
those
big,
monster
soft
spaceships.
nose. She will let you buy new things with the stars you've won.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching me. Please like. Monster, stop! Okay, there we go. Wait. I think I want. Stop. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, guys, that's all the time we have to say. Guys, can you like, subscribe, and comment down below to see how other Teach Monster parts. We'll see you soon. Bye.